So in this video, now we're going to learn how to log in SQL Server and then how to create database in SQL Server from start. So now we'll go and try to type it here SSMS. Once you will type, after installation, you can see that here SQL Server Management Studio will come and we can enter. So it's going to load that UI of SQL Server. So this one takes some time, and now we can see that first time if we're doing login, so server type will be same, server name it's might be blank for the first time if you log in. So you click on that browse, then go to database engine. You will see only one, since in my local system I have two, so it's displaying two names. So you can select it from here, and if you're using any IP address to select from some other server, then we basically use this one, and from here we can select it. Okay, so once you select this one, then we'll get that by default Windows authentication is there, and this one you will get while doing that installation. And if you did that SQL Server authentication, you can select it here, pass that login and password, specify it here, and then click on connect. But I will go with Windows authentication, click on that connect. So you can see here in Object Explorer, we have that server name, that whatever I have in local, and it displaying how I logged in. You can see database security. So those things we will learn later. Now first we'll start with database. So by default system database will be there, that 4. Okay, that we'll discuss after some time. And if you, I will minimize it. I have two database that I have created. So now we will go ahead and select database and right click, and then I can do that new database. Okay, and I can pass it here name as test1 and nothing else I need to do. And you can see whenever we'll create anything, any new DB, it's by default going to create two, one with that for DB and one other for that log file. Okay, so two of them it's going to be created by default. Okay, so now it's created. If I try to expand it, if I try to expand table, and again system tables, so there are no tables it here right now. There will be no views also. It's all our system views, that is by default, but we have not created any view, so nothing will be there. Okay, so similarly if you can go to here from the store procedures also, you can do it. Okay, system store procedures will come it here by default. That's why we are seeing sys underscore sys.sp underscore. So those are all system stored procedures. Similarly, other things are there, that function tables, that we're going to learn later point of time. For now, we understand that how that we can create it here. Other way to create it, we can go ahead, create new query, and then try to create a new DB. So create test2. Okay, and once I will execute it. So now if I go and try to refresh this, we can see now one new database is created. Okay, so now we'll learn how to create tables and how to drop this DB database name, that in later. Okay, yeah, thank you.